Hey there guys, so today I want to discuss with you some machine-based workouts. So this is the newest how-to video I'm going to go over with you. So in today's video, we're going to go over a few leg-based workouts. Now with these workouts, of course, they're machine-based, so they are actually very beneficial for beginners and anybody who's very new to the gym. So one thing to keep in mind is that these workouts are primarily focusing on isolating a specific muscle. A lot of times with machine-based workouts, you are in a fixed range of motion and you're not able to move beyond that. So keep that in mind, that these workouts are very focused on targeting a specific area. And what we're going to focus on primarily today are the legs. So there's going to be a few leg-based workouts I'm going to go over, give you some pointers as it relates to the movement of these workouts and what you should focus on as far as your form in these workouts. So I hope you find this helpful. Definitely leave a comment if you have any questions.
So the first workout we're going to talk about is known as the leg extension machine. And this workout primarily targets the quadriceps. So you want to sit on a machine with your back flat against the pad, adjust the backrest so that your knees are aligned with the machine's pivot point. Your knees should be in line with the edge of the seat. In the leg pad, you want to lower the leg pad and it should rest just above your knees over your shins and adjust the pad so it's snug but comfortable. You also want to select an appropriate weight that allows the exercise with good and proper form, and make sure that you prepare to lift, take a deep breath, and then brace your core when you're doing the workout. Slowly extend your legs by contracting your quadriceps. Straighten your legs until they are almost fully extended, but avoid locking your knees at the top of the motion. As you extend your legs, exhale to continue to engage your quads throughout the movement of the exercise. The leg press machine is a compound exercise that primarily targets quadriceps, hamstrings, as well as the glutes. So you want to sit in the leg press machine with your back flat against the backrest, adjust the seat so that your legs form a 90-degree angle at the knees with your feet placed on the foot platform. Place your feet shoulder width apart on the foot platform. Your feet should be positioned so that your heels are flat and your toes are slightly angled outwards depending on your comfort. You also want to make sure that you're using a weight that allows you to perform the exercise in good form, and also make sure that when it comes to your body alignment that you are sitting back in the seat, and make sure that your back and hips are pressed firmly against the pad. Grip the handles on the sides of the seat to stabilize your upper body. And again, your feet should be flat on the platform with your toes slightly pointed out. You want to push the platform away, slightly releasing the safety locks on the machine. Ensure that the platform is supporting your legs before fully unlocking. Extend the legs, push your heels, and extend your legs to press the platform away from you, fully extending your legs, but avoiding locking your knees.
Thank you guys once again for checking this video out. Feel free to check out any of the other videos that I post. Usually weekly, I have a new video posted. I do a live stream every Wednesday on my Facebook, so if you want to learn more about that, just feel free to leave a comment and let me know, and I'll give you a link to be able to access that. So again, guys, thank you. I do have a website too, I should mention before I end this video. My website is bponlinefitness.com. There's a ton of free information there you can find out related to fitness, nutrition, as well as my online fitness coaching program. So if you have any questions about that, feel free to reach out as well. But check that out. There's a ton of free information there. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch this, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.